In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring an image to the front using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or someone with a bit of experience, this guide will help you understand how to effectively arrange elements in your designs. It's a straightforward process, but let's walk through each step to ensure clarity and ease. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're on the website, look at the upper right corner where you'll find the login button. Click on this button to sign in using your credentials. You have options here. You can log in using Google, Facebook, or simply enter your email and password if you prefer. Whatever choice suits your needs best, select it and get logged in. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, often referred to as the menu icon. Click on these lines and this will open a menu with various options. From this menu, select Create a Design. This will prompt you with several template options to choose from depending on what kind of project you're working on. Click on a template that matches your vision or start a fresh design. Once your design canvas is open, you're ready to bring your image to the forefront. Locate the image you want to position in front of others. In some cases, the image might be obscured by other elements. Not to worry, simply access the Layers panel to select it, even if it's not visible right away. This is a handy feature that makes managing layers a lot easier. There are two ways to bring your selected image forward. The first method involves right-clicking on the image. When you do this, a menu will appear. From this menu, choose Layer followed by Bring to Front. And just like that, your image will come to the forefront of your design. Alternatively, if you prefer using the top panels, head over to the Position tab located above the canvas. This time, choose Arrange and then Bring to Front. Both methods are simple and effective, so feel free to use whichever you find more intuitive. After executing one of these methods, you'll see your image now sits in the front of other elements on your canvas. It can be particularly useful if you're working on intricate designs where proper layering enhances the overall aesthetic. And there you have it. Bringing an image to the front in Canva is an easy task once you know exactly where to click and what to do. With a bit of practice, managing layers will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on your creative expression without getting bogged down by technicalities. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and happy designing.